What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, I'm out in the parking lot of the hospital and have to have my mask on. It is Sunday right now, and I'm actually not going fishing today, but I wanted to go ahead and get the intro out of the way. I'm going fishing in the morning, and I'm meeting up with Austin. If you guys have seen some of my past videos, you may have seen Austin. He's been in one or two, and I've mentioned him a few times. He's the one that actually pours his own baits, and he gave me a couple bags, and I've caught some decent fish on them. So he's gonna meet me tomorrow, and we're gonna actually go wading through the creek and try to catch some good smallmouth. It's been a while since I've caught a decent smallmouth, and he seems to think he can put me on some, so that's what we're gonna do. He said most of the big females are off the beds, but he still knows where some decent males are on beds, so may have an opportunity to catch some bedfish, and whatever else in between is just going to be a plus. So I'm pretty excited. I've been wanting to catch some smallmouth here lately pretty bad because, like I said, it's been a while. And Alex, Mr. Wrong Angling, you just commented a little while ago saying you can't wait to see some river smallmouth. Here you go. Hopefully I'll be able to give that to you. But if you guys have been enjoying my videos, please let me know. Leave a like, drop a comment. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring the little bell so you're notified, because we have 472 or 473 subscribers. I thought I had 475. Maybe someone left, I don't know. But as soon as we hit 500, I'm gonna be doing a really good giveaway that you guys are not gonna wanna miss. So make sure you turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I do it, because like I said, you're not going to want to miss it. Today's verse of the day is actually from one of you guys. Thank you, Backroads and Bass. Romans chapter 5 verse 3 through 4. It's an awesome verse. Thank you for the comment. But I'm gonna go ahead and hop off here because I have about 2 minutes before I have to be back in work. So you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Hopefully I end up doing pretty good tomorrow, so you'll actually have a decent video to enjoy. So stay tuned. So things have changed just a little bit. It's the next day, and I talked to Austin last night, and he's not going to be able to make it. He has plans with his wife and kids, so that's okay. There's going to be plenty more days that we can meet up and go fishing. But as for today, he told me some things to try and where to go, so hopefully the tips that he gave me will still lead to some smallmouth. But I went ahead and stopped here and picked up my dad, so we're gonna go drive out to the river, and hopefully we'll be able to catch some smallmouth for you guys, so stay tuned. I almost fell right there. Yeah, it is super clear. Can you get down that? How cold is it? Tell me. You know it's gonna be freezing. You think you can get used to it? Oh, woo! I was, not gonna lie, I was not expecting it to be that cold. All right, the things you do for fishing, huh? All right, you can start fishing because I already see some fish. I just seen a couple. I'm gonna start off with this popper, just go right by that. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Bet you didn't expect to come do this today, did you? Man, this place is gorgeous. Either the water's warm now or my legs are numb. Like the shallowest part is right here, because if you go right there to your left, it's really deep. That's really slick, so be super careful, okay? Here, grab my hand and just in case. Take your rest. We can take a longer break if you need. We don't have to keep going. Just whenever you want to stop, stop. There, you got one? Good. It's about time. It's a whoa, on a pot here. Let me get up on it. Oh, I'm gonna fall and die. On a popper. Big green sunfish. There he goes. Oh, he hit me in the foot. Here, grab those pliers and shove them in your back pocket. Hey, it's a fish, so that's no skunk. We got that out of the way, so now we can catch more. I'm shocked that you just caught a green sunfish on a popper, and that's not a tiny popper. Them things are aggressive, so watch for snakes. All right. You good? Taking your break? Hey, look, a wallet. Yeah, that's an old, like that's been here. It's been here for a minute, guarantee you that. Good Lord. Good Lord.
It's beat up a little bit.
There ain't nothing in it on this side. It's an empty wallet. Somebody just threw it in here. Get it out of the river. Oh, oh, he cranked it. I just got a good hit, a really good hit. He didn't hit hook too, so I'm going right back to him. Well, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. That was a cool fight too. He was fighting right in front of me. That was awesome. I think he was on a bed over there in the corner because he hit it once and then I threw back in there and he got it. Anyways, first smallmouth of the trip. Not a big guy, but super fun. See, dude. Yeah, he's going right back over there. He was on a bed. Dang it, I don't know why I wasn't recording. It's just, it gets hot and then the GoPro like freezes and turns off and it doesn't beep or anything, so I don't know. Dang it. Well, anyway, at least they got to see the fish. What'd he say? Who was that? Oh, that's Cotton. Cotton, Brittany's dad, with Richard. Hey, there's one. Look at him. He's right there. He doesn't seem interested, but look at him. Is he on a bed? You see him right there? Yeah, he's just chilling. Huh. Well, I mean, I ain't gonna be able to catch him, but oh, he's missing an eye.
All right. I got an idea. He's missing an eye. If I had something tied on other than the popper, something that would sink, I think I could catch him. Let's see. Oh man, that was insane. I just reeled the popper all the way to the tip so I can get it to go underwater. As soon as I got it in front of his face, he turned and smacked it. That's insane. Yeah. Yeah, he's got one eye, so he couldn't see the popper. He's missing this eye over here. Look at it. So I just put the popper all the way at the tip of that and stuck it under the water, and I put it in front of his face over here, and as soon as I did, he turned on it. I was recording, yes. That's picture worthy. I need my phone.
So we seen a smallmouth that wasn't moving. It was just kind of sitting there, and then I noticed I could walk right up to it and it was missing an eye. And I just reeled my popper all the way to the tip of my rod so I could kind of put it under the water, and he was backing away from it like he could hear it. And then as soon as I got it to the other side where his good eye was, he just turned and like he hammered it. That's a good size smallmouth. It's close to 2, but I missed the first smallmouth that I caught. I missed it. I didn't have it on camera because I wasn't recording for some stupid reason, because you guys know how GoPros are. So I'm glad I could get that. That was crazy. I'm gonna get a picture for Instagram, and then I'll let him go.
Okay, we got pictures, so we're gonna let him go. That was insane. It's probably my favorite smallmouth catch ever. See you, buddy. He's going right back over there to where he was sitting. He's literally right there. He's going right back there where he was. He's sitting there in the same spot. He must have been on a bed, I don't know. That was awesome, that was insane. Let's get a couple more of that size and I'll be extremely happy. Should be able to catch one here. Oh, I got one. I didn't even know. Trying to let him fight a little bit. I don't want to get hooked. These little ones are the dangerous ones. All right. Smallmouth number 3. Man, they're pretty, ain't they? Awesome. I hate that the sun blocks the release, so I'm gonna come over here. All right. See you, buddy. He's right over there. He's coming right back towards you. Awesome. This is deep. Oh, that's a big one. There's a big one. Cast over there. Oh, I see a couple small ones too though, so. When I say big one, I mean anywhere between 1 and 2 pounds, because that's big for, for what we're probably gonna catch around here. Oh, Tell me you seen that. Tell me you Come on. Watch. He's not gonna, oh, there it is. Oh, he just jumped and hooked himself on the side. Here, buddy, let me help you. Oh, you got double whammied. I'm sorry, little dude. Did you? I'm struggling. I need some pliers. He jumped and tacoed himself.
He snared his hook inside.
Man, I'm sorry, little guy. I know that had to suck. There we go. He's all right. Here you go. Yeah, I got it out. He jumped and like folded in half. There we go. I don't remember what number that is. What, 3, 4, 4? I don't know, but these dudes are awesome. Let's see if I can. Sweet. There's a big one over there somewhere. Gotta go up here to the dam. Should be able to catch 1 or 2 here. There's one. Little guy. He's feisty though. Really feisty. Hey, Dad. Dad. I don't remember what number that is, but little guy, but he's gorgeous. Man, these fish are just awesome. I don't get to fish for river smallmouth as much as I'd like to, so any chance I get to come out here, I'm definitely gonna do it. It's awesome. See you, buddy. There he goes. I'm gonna try to get Dad up here before I catch another one so he can try to get on one. He still hasn't caught a smallmouth yet. He's just caught that green sunfish. Come up here. Right. I switched over to a Texas rig crawl. This is the saw crawl, 10,000 fish. Just because I see a couple laying here that won't look at the popper at all. There he is. He's a lot bigger than I thought he was. Woo! Buddy, he got something chewed him up. I mean, it's probably the second or third biggest one of the day. He got me right there. He put the hook in me a little bit, but look at his head. Something's done a number on him. All right. I knew he was gonna bite. I knew it. All right. Thanks for biting, buddy. Now go get you some food. There you go, Becca. If you're watching this, happens here too. This way, if we start over here, we can walk this entire bank. Well, a lot of it's hard to walk because it's kind of steep, but we can start under the bridge and walk this entire bank until down there, and then we can head home. Oh, man, as soon as he hit it, I set the hook a little funny. I missed another one. I didn't set the hook right. All right. Been fighting with this fish for like an hour. If he don't bite this, then he ain't gonna eat. It's a Guggenbait's rattling Ned. Now, see if I can even find the guy. There we go. I knew that'd get him. A rattling Ned rig. Yeah. Been fighting this guy for like an hour. Lifesaver right here, lifesavers. Just getting my... I mean, I say that's a decent one to end the day on. I like to get a bigger one, but I've been fighting with you forever, you little turd. Man, that's a pretty fish. All right. See you, buddy. Right back to his spot. He's got to be on a bed. All right. There's a couple bass right here that have been just sitting there.
Get any luck?
I've caught like 8 or 9 today.
Where, this river?
Mm-hmm.
But he never...
There you go.
What the heck? That's bull.
That's a rock bass.
This is bull crap.
Different species, but it'll work. These Ned rigs, man, this little thing that I'm using, it's like candy to everything.
Let me get a picture of me. I hate holding them.
See, dude.
Oh yeah, great day out on the water. I haven't went wading through the creek in a really, really long time. So, I mean, unfortunately, Austin didn't get to come, but I had a blast. I took Dad, and he only caught one fish, and it was a green sunfish. But still, I know he had fun. I had fun. I don't even know how many I caught, like 8, 7, 8, 9, something like that. I don't know. And then that one really nice one. But man, it was a blast. I had so much fun, so I can't wait to do that again. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, drop a comment. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Like I always say, got a giveaway coming up real soon, and you're not going to want to miss it. So all of that nonsense. But I'm going to go ahead and get to the house and eat and spend some time with my family on my day off. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.